Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted emails on Gmail. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You know the feeling you accidentally just deleted a really important email and now you're struggling to find it and feeling totally out of luck. Well, take a breath because it's often possible to retrieve deleted emails in Gmail. In fact, Google offered several ways to recover deleted mail. They are not all obvious and none of them guarantee by the ability to find deleted mail, but there are several things you can try, which way in this video I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just open your Gmail on your phone. You can log in with your email. Now I will show you. I will try to delete this mail, some mail on my Gmail. Like this. Now you want to recover that email. So how to do it? You can find that on your trash on your Gmail. So you can just tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option trash. You can just tap on that. So here's all the email that you just delete from your from your primary mails. If you want to recover one of them, you can just tap and hold on the email that you want to recover. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You can tap on move to. Here you can move your deleted email to primary, to permissions, social, or updates. For example, we just move to primary. So your mail will be back to your primary mails. And if you have too many deleted mails and you want to recover all, you can just select all like this. Do the same thing, tap on the upper right corner to three dots over here and tap on move to. As you have to know that the items, the deleted mails on your trash have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted, so you can check your trash to see if there is email that you need to recover. So simple, right? So that is how to recover deleted emails on Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.